Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will learn how to use the pen input control in Power App to capture signature digitally. This is useful in scenarios like delivery, confirmation approvals, or field inspection where users need to sign directly on the screen instead of using paper. So this is our blank canvas app. Now go to the insert. Under the input, click on pen input from here. So pen input is visible in the screen. Now preview the app. Here I can draw and add to my signature using the pen input control. If you want to erase part of signature, use the eraser option, and if you want to clean everything, so click on this icon. Now go back. Now let insert an image control. Go to the insert and then go to the media. Now click on image from here. We will use this image control to display the captured signature. Next, insert a button and change the text of this button is capture image. So changes is visible here. When the user finishes signing and click this button, the signature image will appear in the image control. Now select the button, then go to the on select property and remove the existing one. Now add this. This formula store the signature image from the pen input control into a global variable called variable image when the button is clicked. Now select the image control and go to its image property and remove the default value and enter variable image. This means whatever image is stored in the variable image will be displayed in this image control. Now I want to add a color in this image control. So go to the properties panel and then go to the color and select the color as per your need. Now let's preview the app. I will add a signature here. When I click the capture image button, you can see the signature image appear in the image control. So in this video, we learned how to use the pen input control in Power App to capture and display signature. Thanks for watching.